everyone, welcome back onto my channel. I'm Lexus, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some of this Just Egg and some store-bought cake box mix. I want to see how well it bakes. I tried it for scrambled eggs and omelets, and I love it. It tastes delicious. So let's just see if this is going to work out in a cake box mix. So let's hop right into it. So here I have the Just Egg, and this is the cake box mix that I'm using. And I'm pouring it into a bowl. Now make sure you check the ingredients. I normally get Duncan Hines cake box mix, and most of them are accidentally vegan, but I found out towards the end of the day, once I decided to clean the kitchen, that this actually had a milk ingredient in it. So just be careful to check, especially if you have any allergies to it. The recipe calls for 1 cup of water, but I'm adding 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and I'm adding ½ cup of canola oil as it says. And for the egg, 1 egg equals 3 tablespoons when we're measuring it from the Just Egg. So being that it calls for 3 eggs, I'm adding 9 tablespoons of the Just Egg mixture. And I'm adding 1/4 cup of sour cream just to add some moisture into it. And I'm using dairy-free sour cream, and I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And after that, I'm baking it according to the box. This looks delicious and smells delicious. I have a feeling this is gonna work out pretty good. Yeah, I put some Pillsbury vanilla frosting on it. Now it is time for the taste test. Well, just look at that. It's not even falling apart. A lot of the times when you use egg replacer and stuff, it'll fall apart because it just can't hold together as well as egg. But this is not falling apart at all, so that is a good sign. That is delicious. It is nice and moist and fluffy. I definitely recommend adding the sour cream. I don't know what it's going to taste like without it, but this cupcake is perfect, so I'm pretty sure that it added something to it. It gives it more moisture. If you don't have egg replacer at home or applesauce, because that's another egg replacer, and you do have Just Egg, then definitely use that in baking. Now I have a new baking hack to use for my vegan baked goods. It was definitely a winner, so you should definitely give it a try, and I will see you in my next video.